Welcome to City Classic Cars, one of the baddest and most iconic shops in the entire country. Hey, let's start the process. We're at step one. Step one, it begins with the dream. Goes from the dream, goes into discovery. Let's talk about it. Let's meet Carol.
Welcome to City Classic Cars. Bring me your dream. I want to hear everything about it. What's your favorite car? How long have you been wanting this? Was it passed down through your family? What was the journey in order for you to find this vehicle that you've been dreaming about your whole life? And now that you have it, what do you want to do? Restomod, restoration, interior, paint, upholstery, upgrades, performance. What do you want? Because we make it happen here at City Classic Cars.
Hey, I told you, Carol's one of the best in the business.